Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to export high quality image on Snapseed. When you install Snapseed, by default the format and quality are set to 95%. What you have to do is to set it to 100%. Just the format and quality rates will be applied when exporting or sharing images. 100% JPG will give you the best JPEG images and cost of increase of file size. So if you keep it at 95%, you're not going to get the full quality of the image you are exporting. So I recommend you leave it on 100%, which is the highest, and image size and do not resize. If you set it at 1920, it will give you 1080p quality, so leave it at do not resize. Also, if you like using dark theme, you can go with it. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.